Hello all, welcome to another unboxing video. We recently has placed some orders for some food supplements and this is one of the packages. Let's see what's inside. It's a brand called Man Matters. Let's open the box. Yeah. So this is magnesium glycinate. So this is currently appreciated by most of the bodybuilders and you know fitness enthusiasts actually. Magnesium helps you to sleep very well, and magnesium glycinate is the purest form of magnesium that you can get in the market. So these are capsules. You take one each night before you sleep, and you will have a sound sleep. That's what the advertisement says. So yeah, this is Man Matters Magnesium Glycinate Capsules. So that was the video for today. I'll be back with another one. Till then, bye.